Hello everyone, how are you all doing this evening? Tonight we're gonna be doing some programming on Chase, the simple modding library thing that I thought up. Yeah, but before we do that, we're just gonna hang out for a little bit. 20, great, the follow goal desynced again, just a sec. There. Resynced. How are you all doing? What have you all been up to in the past few days? I've personally not been doing all that much. But I do have I've done some interesting things. Finally got around to watching Jujutsu Kaisen after hearing so many people just fawning over it, and it's really good. The action is great, the characters are amazing, the interactions are just stellar. It's a really fun and good show. Nice, yeah, Folks hyped that one up a good bit, yeah. Yeah, it is definitely worth the watch so far. Decent amount of blood and gore. Now I'm trying to keep up with Eurocamp this season. Oh, yes. Eurocamp is so good. It's the comfiest show ever. It's one of our absolute favorites. We're so excited for the new season. It's so comfy already. Eurocamp flushed. Yeah, the spiders. Also, I'm showing the spider. So what? Yeah, Spider Isekai is looking pretty interesting. Like, just it is nice to see an isekai that is is going all the way on having a non-human protagonist, because Slime Isekai Rimuru has human form and stuff, but from what I've heard, Spider Isekai, they're a spider all the way through, with no human form there, which, neat. Yeah. There's so many fucking anime this season. Oh, that's good to hear then, yeah. Yeah, today will be pretty fun. There was some other show I wanted to talk about. Let me pull up my anime list real quick. Oh, I should switch over to the Titan model at some point. Oh, there's just so much airing this season. Right now, we are planning to keep up with Dr. Stone Season 2, Slime Isekai Season 2, ReZero Season 2 Part 2, Eurocamp Season 2, of course, gotta. Other Side Picnic. Oh, Other Side Picnic is so good. It's so good. It's really good. Watch it. It's just so good. And Wonder Egg Priority, I'm hearing so many good things about, but I think I'm gonna wait until it's done airing and then just, watch it all through at once, just because I don't want to have to go through the stuff that it focuses on every week. That'd be just too much. World Trigger second season. That's a show I enjoy. I've only ever met one or two people ever who also enjoy it. It's a Shonen Jump adaptation. It's fun. It's got neat combat and power and a big focus on tactics. There is X-Arm, which oh boy! Oh, fucking boy, X-Arm. Good lord. They... I don't even know what to say about X-Arm. Sorry, laptop was freezing for a second there. Which one was underappreciated? That would be World Trigger, which is getting a second season. It's a Shonen Jump adaptation. The first season is 73 episodes. Glacial pace. I personally really like it a lot. What else is there? But yeah, there's Vlad Love, which is being made by some, like, heavy hitters, and is looking like it might be interesting. But, wait, 73 episodes? Yeah, as I said, Shonen Jump adaptation. It's a mess. There's Back Arrow, which is looking to be pretty neat if it can stick the landing, which we'll see. Anything else I recognize that I'm following? That's basically it for the stuff that I am paying attention to at the moment. I want to watch Yashahime, but I've just not been able to keep up with it. Last season was one of those ones where I just ended up falling off most of the shows, even though I really liked them, just because so much was going on IRL. And then spring is also gonna have just so much. It's got fucking more. IRL does interrupt anime time a bit too much lately, yeah. But yeah, just next season also just has so much. Got Slimy Sakai. Yeah, we've got more Slimy Sakai. Zombieland Saga Season 2. Mairimashita Iruma-kun Season 2. An adaptation of after defeating slimes for 300 years, I became max level without realizing it. We've got a sequel to SSSS Gridman. That's cool. There's just been so much anime coming out all at the same time because it all got delayed due to COVID, and just, so exciting. Yeah. Yeah, God. I'm glad that we're finally having, like, a decent amount of Yuri in a row. Like, just last season, 2020 delay, just hitting 2021 winter season now. Yeah, just like, these, like, last couple seasons, like, last season we had Adachi and Shimamura, we had Love Live Nijigasaki, we had Assault Lily Bouquet. Yeah, and now, this season we've got, like, words. Yeah, this season we've got Other Side Picnic, we've got Vlad Love, which is up and down. But yeah, we're finally getting, like, a lot of really good Yuri at once. It's like rivaling fall 2018. Yeah, I'm just so excited. And yeah, I guess we should probably head on over to actually doing some dev work, so we can tag on over there now. I need to get more music for the stream safe playlist, but oh well. So, off screen, I've been working a bit more on the parser, just getting a lot of that stuff set up, but also just been thinking about, like, what sort of stuff I want to do. Right now it's just got expressions, so, like, equals and comparing and, like, stuff like that. And we're gonna move on to other stuff soon. Before we do, I am kinda reconsidering Tommel. Like, just because, frankly, Tommel has some issues, like how you do, like, nested keys and or nested objects and such. It's not great. Ah. Ah. Yeah. Instead of doing it with Toml, we might make our own, like, data storage system. Not sure at the moment. Ah. Ah. Yeah. Just because Toml's cool, like, interesting syntax, the object arrays. Ooh, stretchy. Yeah. So, one of the big issues with Toml is that once you enter a once you enter an object, you can't really exit out of it. So all your non-object stuff needs to go above it. So instead we'll have a semicolon to mark the end of an object. Oh, got a bit of rain free. Shouldn't have had that much slush at once. Whoops. I did that stretch, yeah. Sorry. Bit out of it. Other things getting to do. Low config. There. I mean, you should always have slush at once. Build tolerance to that helping, yeah. But, like, not while I'm streaming. Yeah. So yeah, there's like, so we'll have semicolons at the end. Then the other thing to do is object arrays, because in Toml those suck. So what can we do instead? And maybe this could be a bit tough. Or, no, it just takes heuristics, so these streams are reminding me that coding seems about as painful as drawing. Yeah, creating things is painful. Why does every language use a semicolon as end of line anyway? I'm not suggesting we don't do that, just curious where the convention comes from. If I recall, that comes from C syntax, where it marks... It doesn't quite mark end of line, it marks end of statement. In this, I'm using it to mark the end of an object. I'm doing some kind of interesting stuff here, honestly. Basically, the weird thing I'm doing is, this language is going to be white space significant, but only for returns. So, if you hit enter, that means something, but spaces and tabs don't mean something. Which I don't know if I've seen in a language before, honestly. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I'm trying to think of, like, heuristics and such, so... I want this to be forgiving, so, like, if you have weird comma stuff, then it isn't an issue. Yeah. My main concern is, like, how forgiving do I want to be? Like, do I want to be forgiving for both missing and trailing commas? And if I'm being forgiving for both, why even have commas in the first place unless we're just ignoring them? Do we want, like, new lines to be marked as a delineator? Yeah. Lots of stuff to think about. And, like, just this'll matter for the encode arrays as well, because we want the syntax to be the same across each. Yeah. I'm trying to think about, like, what would be best thing to do. So, big thing to think about is, like, what data types do we care about, both for the language and for the script and the storage, or in the data. So, we care about, one float is 0.5, then string equals name, for example, then I don't think identifiers are gonna be a raw type in data because you can just get those from a string. And there'll be like a built-in function for getting identifiers and such. And got like just one of the big questions is, do we want arrays to be single type or multi-type? Yeah. What about the benefits of both be? So the benefit of single type is that you always know what kind of data you're going to be dealing with. And benefits of multi-type is that you can store multiple things, multiple types of things in one array. But honestly, I think arrays are going to be single type. Just because that'll make it a lot easier on everything. Yeah. Yeah. And yeah, I really want to get to like adding like the functions and stuff, but I've just still got the issue that I need to get the syntax down and implement it first. Let me check something. Yeah, this is a worry just because, like, let me show what the issue with that could be, so... So, like, just with the... If we... Yeah. The issue is we need to check for... We need a heuristic, like just... We could decide that namespaces can't have minuses in them, but that doesn't fit with vanilla vanilla logic. Like, you're allowed to have or no, not spaces, hyphens. You're allowed to have hyphens in mod or in identifiers, and a lot of mods do, but that could confuse with subtraction. Fuck. Just, if you have something like this, like, if you have something, like, just, if you have this, is it mine dash craft colon block, or is it mine minus craft colon block? And that's, like, just, the simple answer is, what I'm doing right now is always assume that this, if there's no space and there's a hyphen and, yeah, like that, if it's a whole, words. Basically, if there's no spaces, assume it is a, or assume it's an identifier, but if there is a space, at least right there, then assume that it is subtraction. And that is an implementation detail that I will have to document. And possibly someone in the future could help figure out a better heuristic for this. Yeah. No. So. I think instead of having TOML literals, they'll just be parsed out instead. So this will probably be gotten rid of soon. Yeah. This is a Minecraft modding framework. Yes, it is. Oh, there, Qwerty the Cats, yeah. We are making a custom language for Minecraft modding. Which is gonna be cool. Wonderful, yeah. It is titled Chase. It is being built on Fabric at the moment, but we might change that. Or, no, we're gonna make it on Fabric. There might be a Forge version or another game version like some other time. It's gonna be meant for like small mods and simple mods. It's not gonna like let you do everything that a mod can. Know a bit about languages and parsers, yeah. Right. So, The main challenge right now is that, a bit too used to cabins there, keep that in mind. Yeah. Yeah, the big thing right now is that, since I am following along with, crafting interpreters and building it big, and, like, following along with that as I make the language and make tweaks, it might be a bit of a challenge just because it is structured around around like learning how to make a language. So right now, with where this is with the parser, it is about to go on and make the first bit of the interpreter, which I think we can actually go along with, but yeah. Hi everyone, hello Power Mechanical! Alright, there. Yeah, this expression class is one over here. I generated it using this abstract syntax tree generator, which basically just meta programs in all the expressions and statements and stuff that I want. I'll be adding to it more as we go. Cat Felix has been missing since New Year's Day, and he just showed up at the house tonight. Yay! Java metaprogramming, yeah. It's weird, but it works. Ad hoc parser generator for the win, yeah. Super skinny, but otherwise okay. I'm glad he's alright. Thank goodness. Yeah. I have a funeral for him tomorrow if he never came back. Best guess got trapped in someone's garage. Yeah, that's likely. Yeah, I'm so happy that he's back. So... Yeah. Yeah, for a literal expression, right now we're writing the interpreter, which will look through the expressions and statements we make and return things from them. So, for example, at the moment we are going to be returning or looking at binary expressions, grouping expressions, literal expressions, and unary expressions. Binary means two terms, so it can be stuff like x and y, or and y, or 2 plus 3. Those are binary expressions because... Anyways, we're gonna get back to work on our batch render. Able to render 10k sprites pretty easily, right? In fact, just need to finish porting everything over. Ooh, exciting! Yeah, binary expressions are stuff with two terms. Unary expressions are something with one term, so -5 or not true. For example, literal expression is like 2, 3, string. It's something that has a literal raw value. Then for grouping, that is going to be stuff like that, where it's in parentheses. So we're making a simple math engine at the moment. So or a grouping expression, we're just going to want to evaluate expression, and evaluate is there. Yeah, this should be package private. Interpreters are scary, yeah. Luckily, we're following along with a really good tutorial that sadly you all can't see. Yeah, sorry about that. Oh well. But yeah, these ones are simple because they are just straight that. Crafting interpreters, yes, let me share it in the chat. It is a, yeah, it is a very good textbook that basically goes through all the stuff you need for like a basic interpreter. One written, a recursive descent parser in Java, then a bytecode VM in C. It is written by Bob Nystrom, who currently works on who currently works on Dart at Google, but does a lot of, but has written a lot of other programming languages. Actually never read it myself despite making multiple interpreters over the years, yeah. Yeah, let's see. So, probably going to get more into it once you start building PK script. Makes sense, yeah. Let's see. Okay. So, next is Unary. There are a couple things, so... Oh wait, that's supposed to be an object. And then... Which? Okay. And, the big... Oh, that's a thing that needs to be thought about. Oh, hydrate, thank you. Because I have separate int and float types, I will need to... yeah. In the meantime, Lua should serve as fine for our needs, yeah. There. There. Then, this'll do type checking early. Yeah. We'll type check this before execution, just in case. Ah. We're not gonna deal with truthiness because we don't want to. Truthiness, frankly, sucks, and I dislike it. Use Boolean methods. And there's gonna be some. Yep. Then over to binary expressions. So. Right there. Actually, float. Whether something should be a float differs for each operation. So, or no, it's only weird for division, I think. No, it'll always be float math if either of them is a float. Then I'll just have like a floor and seal and such. Actually, oh, this is gonna be fun. Ah. Been working on a custom game engine, and if I ever made a custom scripting language for it. Okay, that was interesting, auto mod. Automod held that comment, that last comment from Pyromechanical, because it flagged name is. Yeah, it's because it thought it was trying to dox or something. Hey, so this is how we have to do things, because I'm flagged it for name. No, it flagged it for PK is. Yeah, it flagged it for that for some reason. Yeah, bizarre. Gonna do short searching on conditional and an or. Yes, we are. Yes, if I ever made a custom scripting language, I'd call it PK script. Makes sense. For the time being, I'm just gonna use Lua to save some time. Yeah. And yeah, of course, most of this stuff, like, just these are all gonna be checked and such before they actually go to print. Yeah. Then alright. There, this will make it so if either one is a string, it'll stringify. Then we can do... we can do that. Ah! Oh, you're upset that... stretch. Thank you. No, first we should do equality stuff. Yeah, this is a lot of copy pasting. Less than... there. Uh, uh, we should have null checking because we're allowing nulls because we have to for Minecraft stuff. Pretty simple, basically. If they're both null, they're the same. If A is, then if we know that, so we know that they can't both be null if we pass this, so if A is null, then false. This is basically just to avoid an NPE, so yeah. And imagine having null, god. Next, we've got we should make a new error. There we go. What's up, gamers? Just got home. Hello, Roxy. of integer. And there. That formatting though, yeah. I don't care. This isn't code that anyone needs to see. I am doing this, yeah, like, this is for me and me alone. There, oh, this one is gonna be weird. Why are your caps? You can put in a check number after the string checks. Yeah. Well, that I want to have a better like error. Yeah. Probably a better way to do this, but oh well. Then there's statement. Yeah, sorry, feeling a bit low energy tonight. Just, yeah, I don't know what's like got me feeling weird. Might just be not enough sleep. Sleepy, sleepy. I kind of wish I didn't have to like do all this stuff, but then I would have to like just, my options are write it from scratch or use a not super great library to help assemble it for me, because Valkrion's thing isn't done just yet, and I don't know if feels like no one's gotten a decent sleep recently. I mean, I can understand why. It's sorry. It's almost like we're in a national crisis involving involving a failed coup. Yeah. Yeah. You know what? Let's do some mycoturgy. Because I want to, like, try and focus on something else. Mushroom time, yeah. So. Still indexing, okay. Nice. Did I... let me check. So... I've got the bounce pad spell here. Now, I need to make, let me pull up what we've got again. Come on, build. Come on, build. So, last time, we made bounce pads. Right. Still too much for, like, a single pad, but yeah. This will be good for, like, the 3x3 or such. Did I ever send you the bounce pad model? I do not think you have. I have to make the multi-part model anyway, so yeah. You want, like, freeform connection or only perfect squares? I'm not sure. I think perfect squares. Squiggle mushies though. Tempting argument. That is a very tempting argument. Whereas doesn't make sense. Either one. I honestly, I think the logic for, like, creating, for, like, checking which one you're making would be a bit easier if they were squiggle mushies, but yeah. You know what? Squiggle mushies. That way you can make them with squiggle mushies. Oh boy, that doubles the model. Sorry! Right. I forgot that internal corners need to exist. Need to touch up the textures anyway. Okay. Actually, no, let's do square mushrooms for now. We can do squiggle mushies for something else. Bounce pads don't feel right for squiggle mushies. Just a sec. There. Okay, I need to think of... First, okay, so, important thing right now, I want to create a way to get netherite off of a... off your equipment. With a spell. So... How about... What about, like, algae? Would that fit? Ooh! Yeah. Technically not a fungus, but yeah. Thinking about this, do I want to use a cauldron? Main issue with a cauldron is that there's not any way to actually put something in a cauldron, so I'd have to check for entities, which could work. Or I could do the... I could do the, like, thing of make your own damn cauldron-ish thing. I really like... God, technically not fungus, but yeah. You know, algae fit. Here's... what if I do the thing of make not a cauldron for doing stuff with? So I settled on either don't use the cauldron or check for entities yet. It's a problem I had when redesigning Gumbotanium, yeah. You know what was great? A fucking witchery kettle and shit. I'm tempted to, What if... What if... What if... Let me check something. This is... Y'all. Hear me out. Hear me out. Hear me out. What if camping cookware? What if I make this just fucking mushroom camping? Camping magic mod. Y'all. Just, y'all. What if I am gesticulating, but I still can't afford to leap motion, so you can't see. I am gesticulating. What if we make this a camping magic mod? Yeah, like, just, what if I am gesticulating with my mouse because that is the closest I can get? What if we make it camping? Oh my god, that's what this is needed. It's a fucking camping magic mod with a mushroom hike. Yes. And you've got to, like, set it up over a campfire and shit. Your camp is airing, so let's do mush camping, yes. Mushroom tent with big fluffy mushroom pillow, yes. I don't want to tread on Companion too much because Companion is great, but do I have Blockbench on here? I do, okay. Do I have it in Idea? I do not. Window capture. Plus, it means Minecraft wall camping makes sense, yeah. So. Let's make a fucking block. So, quickly, for reference, let me pull this up on my side. Oh, and I should get this window in the... Jeez, I forgot to resize this entirely, I'm sorry. Just got too caught up in the ecstasy of camping. Fuck. Gotta be excited for camp, yeah. Aspect ratio should hopefully be okay there, but yeah, let's zoom in and zoom in. There. So, for reference, right now the mason jar is 6 by 6. Yeah, unfortunately, I spent probably too much time trying to avoid the state nature wishes me to be in mood, but oh well. So, let's make this... M by 10 would be nice. And... actually, no, we'll make the bottom 8 by 8. Makes tiny potato. Thank you, Jude. Howdy, this looks really cool. Hello, Neon! We have transcended and are making Mycoturgy into a fucking camping magic mod. Because, of course we are. Eurocamp is airing. Oh. Yeah. Just about to go grab a drink too, yeah. Man, I wish I could do all this stuff. It's definitely possible to learn. Then, here's the kicker. We're gonna... Oh. Right. I forgot that Minecraft sucks. Oh, we'll just use 4 sticks. Just make models with raw JSON. That works. Yeah. Expensive. Nope. What I wanted. They. You know what? Let's just make these again. Center pivot. Center pivot. There. There. Yeah, good enough. Hey, can I ask a question? Go ahead, Neon. You can move the position back partial pixels, I know. Do I need to, though? Is cereal just soup? Oh no. I don't have an opinion on this discourse. Wrong way. Ooh, that's nice. That's nice. Now, how about... I'm gonna shrink down the pot just a bit. Here's officer. What's your thought on pineapple on pizza? I personally don't like pineapple, but I can understand people who would like it on pizza. Enter your pivots. Okay. Oh, Cap these at 16. Don't want to think about food. Stomach's good. Power food, yeah. Yeah, that's good. Happy with this cooking pot model. Who would win fight a bear or gorilla with a stick? I don't know. Does every rotation need to be at minimum 1/16 pi radians? Yes, you can only move in 8. Or, yeah, no. Yeah, you can only move in 16ths. Or, no, 8ths. 45, 22, 45, 90. Yeah, you can only move in 16ths. So, 22.5 degrees, and only in one axis at a time. Thanks, Mojang. Kinda rough, yeah. Let me check one thing quick. Where is it? Campfire block. It is 7 tall, okay. So... Seven, 10. Might be an issue. If that's a campfire, then there's our cooking pot. Might want to make all of it bigger, honestly. Yeah, we're gonna... all these are gonna become 2x2. Gonna have to reposition them a bit. Probably want to make new campfire with the pot in it. Use multi-part to overlay the models. We'll see. Yeah, yeah. I'll figure it out. Oh, worst comes to worst, I could just do it all with, like, block models. Also, the fire, yeah. Alright, the fire. Yeah, actually, so... we have these ground aligned. Still a decent ways up, and that's actually pretty small. A pretty small cooking pot. All things. How about we make it and... Now it's gonna be a bit shallow. We can fix that too. 841. Oh boy, yeah. I am gonna, like, just, I think as soon as we're done modeling this, I'm gonna need to head off because we're having internet maintenance tonight. Oh boy. Means that my internet might get cut off. And I have some other things I want to do tonight before I finish. So yeah. Or before it gets cut. So... 5. Yeah. That should work as a model. Fun to be here, though, yeah. Hi, Mary. Hello, Nikki. Nice to see you. Now, I'm gonna save the project as well. This Blockbench project. Okay. Because we don't have any textures or anything. Let me quickly download Cooking Pod. There. Now we can tag over to idea for a bit. Wish to share this tweet. Let me see. I'll take a look at it after stream. Yeah. Yeah. So let me quickly cancel. That was for chat as well. Then back over to blocks. Pot. New. That's fine for now. Then, okay. This should at least show us like where the lines of it are, so. Oh, that's the item one. Okay, it's fine. Yeah, don't care that it's referencing missing texture. I'll fix that later. So, if I go over to Microturgy, Cooking Pot, and then, fuck. That is basically perfect, except for the fire going through it, but not much I can do about that. Yeah. Oh, I am happy with that. That's right, yeah. I might switch the poles into like 2 different cubes so they can have proper UVs and such, but yeah. Yeah, congrats on the thank you! Yeah. That's Poggers. Ah. Would fire go through it if it's marked as solid? Well, the fire is part of the texture of the campfire is the problem. Let's see. Oh. Okay. That works. Oh, that's the lowest it can go on the model, okay. There. Yeah, and that doesn't cause any Z fighting. Nice. So... Alright. Majorly Pog, yeah. Yeah, then I can work on the textures for this another time, because I'm mostly ready to finish off for now. I can really just mostly bash these together from vanilla textures. Yeah. We'll use the cooking pot and such to... Yeah, oak planks and anvil bits, basically. I might actually use log texture for these, we'll see. Or strip log or something. But that might look good, yeah. Yeah, this is gonna be super fucking pog. I'm so excited. Lovely night, yeah. Let's take it over to just chatting for now. I made that to size 10. Yeah, let's... Got everything saved, so let's tag to just chatting to wrap up the stream. Yeah. Didn't really get much of anything done on Chase, but oh well. And I honestly, I think the biggest thing we did tonight was have the fucking revelation of this is the direction that my Katurgi is gonna go. We're gonna do a fucking camping magic mod and no one can stop me. Also, we did, think about syntax and such for my Katurgi, or for Chase, so it wasn't a complete waste. Yeah. Ooh, Etheria, thank you very much for following. Welcome to the network. Much camping was good adventure, yeah. Honestly, getting something done is far better than not getting a lot done because you force yourself to do one specific thing. Well, for us to realize that was the case, yeah. Ooh, Nikki AI, thank you also for following. Welcome to the network. Yeah. Thanks, good stream, yeah. Okay. It's not registering Nikki's follow. Streamlabs, dashboard, recent events. Huh. So Twitch says, Nikki AI followed, but Streamlabs doesn't. I don't get it. Oh well. Yeah. Now, I wonder who should raid. Yeah. Tomorrow is gonna be another Streamer's Choice Day. I think I'm gonna continue with Cloudpunk for the time being. Monday is of course gonna be usual Minecraft, though I might pick up a mod pack, we'll see. And then, Tuesday is from now on, I'm gonna be streaming on Tuesdays for at least the next few weeks. I'm gonna be working exclusively on my Game Boy Yuri story on Tuesday, so that'll be fun. Okay. Oh. Guess we should find someone to raid. Ooh. Lots of Lottie is live. I should go stream her, or I should go raid her. She seems cool and haven't raided her before, so... let me actually check that raids are on. Right, yeah, yeah, we're allowed to raid, so... let's do a... camping raid with the head pats. There! By the way, I've gotten in touch with my artist and some new stuff should be coming soon. Yeah, we're with an artist and some cool stuff should be coming soon. Ooh! Lottie is playing Minecraft as well, neat! So we can go over there, should be pretty fun. Okay, let's get this going. Thank you all so very much for joining in today. I've really enjoyed the stream, been super fun. As I said, tomorrow I'm going to be streaming more Cloudpunk, and that's going to be good. Yeah, when you get over to Lottie's page, please don't forget to follow her, and also click on her profile icon twice so that your view can count for her push for partner. Yeah. Thank you all very much for joining in and hanging out. Thank you for, helping me along with these ideas for everything, and I will see you all tomorrow. Let's get that raid going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See you soon!